In this video, I want to show you how to change the appearance of our website. That is in terms of font, color, typography, so that our website can look like same as our demo website. So let's go ahead and do some changes. So to do that, you need to go to the system, and then you choose Site Template Styles. There you are, and then we choose our framework. The framework we are using, which is Shaper Helix Ultimate. And there it will give you the template options. This is where you do all the kind of settings for our template or for our framework for our website. There you go. These are now the settings, the options for our framework or template. Let's start with the basic. There you go. Here we can add the logo which we have added in our first video. Let's go to the header and see what we can add here. We have done this. We have chosen this one with a modified top bar, which we already have. Let's see the body. It has a preloader when our website opens, and then you can choose the type of preloader you want. The circle, 2-wave audio. You can choose anything. 2 circles. There you go. Let's put that one there. That one. Then the footer. Here now you can change your footer name, how you want it to be. Change your footer, go to top if you want that icon to appear. This one here. Is the footer we are talking about here. So you can change the way you want your company or whatever way you are designing it to. Social icon. So when you want the social icon to appear, Facebook, you put your Facebook address, Twitter, all those items you want to appear here, you add them there. The other information you can change is the content info. So here you can change website is under the maintenance, or if there is an issue with the website, you want to do the website and you don't want the users to access the website. And then the error page. When there is an error in your website, specifically if the users try to access a certain page that does not exist, you can put the error page to have a logo, and then you can have a background image. The other important thing you need to change is the preset. We have the predefined presets. Preset number 1 up to preset number 8. In this case, by default, for the website you preset one. That's why you see most of the color code in our website is blue. But we need to have a custom style preset. So you need to activate it here so that you can manage your preset and define your color code for each and every preset or part of the website. So starting with the top bar, so here you put
then we have the layout. All you need to change is the footer. It has the color code for our theme or for our website. So to change, you click here. In the menu, you don't have to change anything. We have our menu there, our menu items there. Make a menu, we are not using any drop down menu, so that is okay. Off canvas, we are not using any head menu here, side menu here. Typology, so this is important. Using font Roboto. Nice, what is this? In one, to sun. Do the same. Three the same. Make sure change the font here. All the same. So if you make any changes here, that change will appear in your website. All that changes. If you have a heading 1, heading 3, 2, 4, just like that, it will actually appear in your website. In 5, open sun. 6, same. For navigation, this is the menu. We are going to use another one here. $20. There you go. In there. They're good. Then you can have the custom type of font. You can enter with the custom content in your website. So we are not. For that, what you need to do, there you can see now our website. It looks now like demo website. There are changes for blog them. You have a custom code, advanced compression. This make sure that your site load faster. That's how you do the basic option in website. So you can see now our website look like website. Other options you can deal with them. With the components. So in the pages, those options you change there appear to all your website. But if you want to deal with a specific component or part, you can change its settings direct from the SP page builder. Let's say like this text block. You can style different style you can use to style that for specific part of the website. You can do it. Otherwise, you can do it at the page options website. So thank you so much. We come to the end of our beginners the development of our website using Joomla. Have any question, you can comment, but make sure that you like this video. If you are new here, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. I may add several sections of this video, of this tutorial, maybe to add some of the extensions the website, like booking, like content form. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you and bye.